Imagine the journey of life captured in the span of 100 years. On one side, a newborn, vibrant with potential. On the other, a centenarian, rich with experience. Now let's dive deep inside these bodies where the real story unfolds. In the infant, cells are bustling, dividing rapidly, each one a powerhouse of energy. DNA strands glow with vitality, their telomeres long like the ticking hands of a clock just starting its cycle. Stem cells, those miraculous architects, are busy building and renewing tissues. Blood vessels are elastic, pulsing with every beat of a strong young heart. Lungs expand, filled with the breath of new life, while bones grow, dense and robust. Muscles, thick and flexible, support a body brimming with strength. In the brain, neurons fire rapidly, forging new connections, lighting up the mind like a city that never sleeps. Now, contrast this with the centenarian's body. Cells here divide slowly, their DNA showing signs of wear like an old map that's been folded too many times. Telomeres have shortened, the clock winding down. Mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse, weaken, their energy reserves dwindling. Arteries, once flexible, stiffen, bearing the burden of time with plaque building up like rust on old pipes. Lungs lose their elasticity, struggling to fill with air. Bones become porous, fragile, susceptible to the weight of years. Muscles shrink, losing their former might. In the brain, neural networks dim, connections fade, a gentle slowing of life's vibrant orchestra. Yet, despite these changes, there's a profound beauty in the resilience of the human spirit. The stories etched in every wrinkle, the wisdom in every gray hair. As we pull back, witness the timeline of the human body, from the vigor of infancy to the solemn grace of old age. It's a journey written in cells, a testament to the passage of time, a reflection of life's inevitable cycle. In this timeline, every stage is a chapter, a story of growth, change, and adaptation. The youthful glow of a baby, the seasoned resilience of the elderly. It's a powerful narrative, one that underscores the beauty of life in all its phases. In the end, this isn't just a tale of biological decline. It's a celebration of life, of how each moment, each breath is a part of a greater story. A story that begins with the first heartbeat and continues to the very last. The human journey, captured in the dance of cells and the rhythm of life.